I was sent this set of 6 of these hose keepers and organizers. Ask you my opinion on them, make this short video. So here's how they're gonna get sent to you. Comes in this plastic bag. Got all 6 here. Each of these has not only a handle here with rubber that's got a flexible aspect to it, so it makes it more comfortable to hold. But they also got very large rivets here. The hole across this rivet is about a little more than a ½ an inch across. So if you have to fit that into something, it's a little bit more than a ½ an inch. And they also come with Velcro and a pull tab here on the back, which has also got a loop, so you can use that as a pull tab, or you could attach something else there as well. So these are all the aspects of the design. The width of it, these are pretty sturdy. They're coming across at 2 inches of nylon there. And they're about probably 8 inches long here in total. So what are these good for? They're good for getting organized in your garage. And if you got a bunch of hoses like I do, and they're always falling all over the place, then this is great for that. You can just extend out the Velcro portion like this. And with that nice strong hook and loop deal, it's not gonna let go, and you can just grab this and hand it to whoever needs to take it, do the next job around the house. You can hang them through a hook here. So if you've got some hooks coming off the wall or just a nail, then you can hang it right there as well, and it won't hurt the handle. So very versatile in that respect, but it just allows you to bundle up a large set of hose here, up to 50, 75 feet will fit, even possibly more if you wrapped it up nice and tight, and have these things ready to go. Storage them in the garage for winter, or pull them out in the spring for doing your jobs. So yeah, very nice set here. You get 6 of them, like I said, plenty to get everything in your garage and all your hoses organized. You can use them for other things as well. Anything that has a bundle like that the Velcro would be useful to tie them up. Nice handle to carry them around. Hey, I hope that helps learn a little bit more about this set of 6 organizers. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.